Hi everyone, today I want to discuss about the ketones nomenclature. Ketone generally start with the first basic ketone is the with 3 carbon. With 2 carbon or with 1 carbon there is no ketone possible because carbon valence is 4. When it has ketone C double bond wall, left right hydrogen not possible, that is aldehyde. So the basic ketone possible with the 3 carbons. Now I want to discuss about first IUPAC name, next common name, or it is also called tribal name. Now the first compound is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then it is called 3 carbon, that is called propane, remove E, add ONE. One. Otherwise, once again I will give here what is the IUPAC name, that is called alkane, remove E, add ONE, that is called alkanone. So that is I want to represent here alkanone. This alkanone is the IUPAC name. Now with the next compound, functional group get the least number. Here left to right, right to left also we can give. Right to left is the correct numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 carbon, that's what it is called butane. Remove E and give the ketone position. It is second position, butane 2O. But in aldehyde case, there is no locant position of aldehyde because always it is terminal. Then what is the common name of this first compound? When common name is there, dialkyl ketone. It is symmetrical. It means left side, right side, both same group are there. Then it is called dimethyl ketone. Otherwise, if you want, what is the common name of this one? Dialkyl ketone. Dialkyl ketone. When it is unsymmetrical, follow the alphabetical order. That is very important. Okay. And it is common name also known as a acetone. This is called historical name. This is not the according to this dialkyl ketone. This is historical name. Next, its name is, now it is unsymmetrical. One side of methyl, another side is ethyl is there. Alphabetical order. Ethyl mean E start first. Here methyl mean M. So E will be the first, then the M. Therefore, it is called ethyl methyl ketone. Next, here 1, 2, 3. Next 4, 5. So middle C double bond is there. Any one side numbering you, it is a correct method only. So it is called total 5 carbon. That's why pentane, remove E, add on, but position of that ketone is third. That's what it is called 3 on. Pentane 3 on. Here both left and right side same group is there. That's what it is called diethyl ketone. Next, one more example. Left to right numbering or right to left numbering correct mean this is right to left numbering is correct because ketone will get the least number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon. This is pentane 2 on. Then these are called number of this position of this ketone group is changed. Here 3 on, here 2 on. That's why these two are positional isomer also, and also called these are metamers also. When keto group left right groups are different with the same molecular formula. Pent mean here pent only is there, it means 5 carbon. So same molecular formula with the different alkyl group of any divalent group, then it shows the metamerism. So these are metamer also. Then what is the common name of this? This N propyl, this is methyl. N is not considered here, only P considered in alphabetical order. Okay, and here methyl, MNP. That's why M only first is there. That's why methyl N propyl ketone. methyl N-propyl ketone. Next, it is anyway at the center only is present, that's why 1 2 3 4 5. Then first substituent name, second position, fourth position is there. Then it is called 2,4 dimethyl, 2,4 dimethyl, total 5 carbon, pentane, remove E, third position one is there, it means keto group is a 3-1. This is called isopropyl. This group is known as iso group. Total 3 carbon, isopropyl. Like this, it is also is the same group. It is called common name di-isopropyl. Left right is there, that's why same group, di-isopropyl ketone. This is a common name of this group. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. When odd number, I think it is exactly come in the middle only. So now it is called 1 2, sorry, numbering already given. So now third position, fifth position is the 3,5 dimethyl, total 7 carbon, that's why hept, N, remove E, fourth position, double bond, C double bond, that's why 4O. This is secondary butyl group. You may be studying the first year. This is called secondary butyl. 1 2 3 4 carbon. This carbon is secondary carbon, so it is called secondary butyl. Like this, how many are there? Left also is there, right also is there. Therefore it is called di secondary, SEC dash mean, that is we have to get secondary butyl, di secondary butyl ketone. Next, one more. Now all with the single bond of the alkyl group. If double bond present, then what will be the name will change or not, that we have to discuss. Numbering. When more than one functional group is present, then we have to follow the priority order. Ketone is get the first priority, then the double bond. So now 1 2 3 4 5. Then here first methyl, fourth position is 4 methyl, total 5 carbon. Then pent, double bond position is third, pent 3 ene. Ene mean ene, remove E and add on, pent 3 ene 2 on. This is also common name is there for this methylene. I think this may be you observe in the aldol condensation, methyl oxide. When this may be treated with the acetone with the barium hydrochloride, I think dilute HCl, you will get this type of compound. So this is very important in the aldol condensation. You have to remember this common name. Next, one more compound given here. Here keto group is functional group is there, and aldehyde functional group is there. Generally when aldehyde is there, then always it gives the first priority, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. And then here fourth position keto is there. Then it is called 4-oxo. Instead of it is keto also sometime, but oxo is better than the keto, we have to write. So always oxo better. Oxo indicated when aldehyde and ketone present in the same compound. Then that oxo indicating the position of ketone than the aldehyde. So 4-oxo, total 6 carbon, hexane, remove E, add Al. This is 4-oxohexanol. Always we can't write the common name. Some may have the common name, may not be have this one. So here carboxylic acid is there, keto group is there, aldehyde group is there. Then when more than one functional group, always follow the priority order. This is get the first priority, then 1, this 2, then 3, this is the fourth. Now when this aldehyde is there and ketone is there, we can say this is both are also oxo as a prefix name or substituent name. Now 3 4 dioxo, total 4 carbons are there. Then it is butane, remove E, add oic acid. Here also locant position of this COH is not written, always it is the first priority. Okay, for few of the compound there is no common name. Next, and you may write this formyl and keto also, but that is not that much preferable. This is dioxo. Then how to identify this oxo mean keto or aldehyde mean? You can write the structure. When it is satisfied with the valency, you can easily identify it is one aldehyde, another is keto. Both will not keto possible here. Okay, so next, 1 2 3 4, total 4 carbons are there. Butane, remove E, and here one position, sorry, second position, third position keto is there, that is called 2 3 dione. Next, only consider the carbon chain. This is a phenyl group, bring here 1 2 3, then one position is there and third position 1 3 diphenyl, one position phenyl, third position phenyl, 1 3 diphenyl, total carbon 3, then prop N, E remove and add one, then second position one is there, propane 2. But common name we can give here, this is benzyl. This is benzyl. Total how many benzyls are there? 2. Dibenzyl ketone. Dibenzyl ketone. Next, this is cyclic compound. Cyclopentane, remove E, add on, cyclopentanone. This is a compound same, but one substituent is there here. Then here first substituent name 1 2 3, then 3 methyl cyclopentanone. Common name, this is functional group. Next carbon is alpha, the next carbon is beta. That's it is called beta methyl cyclopentanone. Here also same will come, that's why I am not represented here. Similarly, one more compound, this cyclic 6-member ring, and here double bond over here. Then it is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4th position. If you consider this a functional group, then alpha, this is beta, this is gamma will come. Now IUPAC name 4-methyl cyclohexanone. Number mean here hexane 1 one. If you want here also number we have to indicate, I forgot. Then here pentane 1 one. Here no need to indicate, anyway it is equivalent. Now here gamma methyl, same name, this cyclohexane 1 one will come here. Okay, next come to the somewhat aromatic compound. When a benzene ring is bonded to acyl group here consider as RC double bond with acyl group here. R may be methyl, ethyl, anyone. Okay, so it is nothing but RC double bond OAR. When alkyl aryl ketones are present, so first we have to write the prefix as a acyl, then it is pronounced as a phenone. Now its name, common name in that only. IUPAC name, this is the first number, this is the second number. At this first phenyl group is there, that's what is called 1-phenyl 2-carbon ethane. Here 2 carbon mean any one side write the same name will come, that's why ethanone. Its common name is aceto is a prefix. Next phenone, acetophenone is a common name. Now it is same but extra what is given here, one of the fluorine substituent present here. So this is given as a, at first position only phenyl bonded, that's why 1-4-fluorophenyl ethanone. 1 2 3 is 4th position, that's why 4th position fluoro is there, that's why 4-fluorophenyl ethanone. Its common name you can write may not be present here. Next, this is as acyl group. Which type of acyl group this is? 3 carbon. That's what it is called. Common name first I am writing here. 2 carbon in aceto like acetone type. 3 carbon in propiophenol. When acyl group bonded to the benzene ring, then first prefix as acyl, then only phenol. Next, its IUPAC name is 1, this 2, this 3. Then it is called 1-phenyl, total 3 carbon, propane, 1 position on, 1 O. Next, sorry, I want to write here phenyl group, but again I wrote same, this is phenyl. This is called 2-phenyl group, benzene same is there, that's what it is called benzophenol. This is a common name. IUPAC name is diphenyl 1 and 1 methanone, diphenyl methanone. Next, the very important question for competitive exam. Now here keto group present, hydroxy group present. Next here double bond also present. Then according to our concept, we have to find out a principal carbon chain which is the longest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or this side 7. Then everyone thinking that the normal chain which is straight is that is only the principal carbon chain. But actually that is not principal carbon chain. When more than one functional groups are present, then we have to follow the priority order. Keto will get the first priority, then the alcohol, and this one. Therefore, these are considered as substituent. But generally, we know the one rule when like this one's 8 carbon and like this 7 or 6 carbon, whatever there. In that, the principal carbon chain should if it is present, if double bond, triple bond are like this present, then if least number of carbon in a carbon chain also, that is considered as a principal carbon chain because that having the multiple bond. This is not having the multiple bond in the strange chain. So that is 1, 2, 3, this is a 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is considered as a principal carbon chain. This is not considered as a principal carbon chain because it having a single bond. This is a very important question for competitive exam purpose. So what is IUPAC name now? Here methyl substituent is there, hydroxy substituent is there at 4th position. Then follow the alphabetical order. Hydroxy mean H, methyl mean M. H only will come first. That's why its IUPAC name is 4-hydroxy 6-methyl, and this is also one of the substituent now at 5th position. This is methyl, this is N, and generally propyl considered. MNP, P will come next only. That's why 6-methyl and 5-propyl. Next total 7 carbon. Heptane, remove E and add on and indicate its position. That is 2 on. So this is very important question for competitive exam part. Like this maybe not exactly this one. Like this question will ask. I hope I given the maximum compounds IUPAC name which is given in the textbook and some other also I given. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much.